Hi again, or hi for the first time. This is Monsieur Balisong, here to show you the basic opening, but the Spy's variant from TF2. So whenever you open up, you switch from your pistol or your zapper or your cigarette case to your knife. This is what happens. He does that, right? And then when you put it away, he doesn't do any trick. But this is just a variation on the basic opening. It's I'd say it's just barely more complicated than a basic opening, but this could also be your first ever Balisong trick if you are looking just to start with the Spy's repertoire. And so you don't have to watch the basic opening video to understand this one. You can if you want, but it's not necessary. Again, I'm going to start with a mirror image so you can copy as if you're looking at a mirror. And then near the end of the video, I'll do a first-person view, so whichever one helps you, or watch both. But this should be a very quick video. So again, safe handle is the handle you hold where the blade will not cut you. Bite handle is the blade you hold where you want the blade to cut you because you're crazy. So hold the safe handle, right? Safe handle first. Now what we're going to be doing is kind of opening up the Balisong a quarter, like this high, and then spinning it and bouncing it onto our knuckles like this. So it's kind of skipping some steps from the basic opening. Where the basic opening, you bounce it onto your fingers and then rotate it and then come up. You are actually skipping straight to this step. You're just going like that. So you're just kind of opening this up in a spinning motion like this, and then wanting it to stop on your fingers like this. So you can practice just by doing this. Just spin it around and have it land on your fingers. Pinch it between your thumb and your fingers and just spin it around. So once you get that open, the next part is a cakewalk. You just give it some momentum for the handle to come up and catch it. That's it. That's the Spy's variation of the basic opening. You just that. Do it a little slower. Very, very simple trick. Great first trick. It's quicker than a basic opening. Looks not as flashy, but it's definitely more efficient, and it's what the Spy does. I mean, come on. So you just keep practicing that. Pretty simple trick. You should be able to get it within a day or so. If you can't, that's fine. Just be careful, don't cut yourself with it, because, well, I mean, just don't cut yourself. And now I'm going to give you the first person. So you're holding the safe handle, and then you're going to just open up the Balisong about a quarter way while twisting it, then having it bounce here, and then popping it back open. So just like that. Just practice doing this. Just practice spinning it around your hand and then stopping it on your knuckles. Very, very simple. And then once you get there, pop it back open. On your knuckles, open. On your knuckles, open. On your knuckles, open. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do the basic Balisong opener for the Spy, his little variation on it. That's the fun thing about butterfly knives, is there are a lot of tricks and there are a lot of names out there, but there's also a lot of variation. Like, a trick isn't set in stone. You can always do a trick a little bit different than anyone else does and kind of make it your own, you know what I'm saying? I just failed that trick. But stay tuned for more. Keep practicing until you get the basics down, then maybe you can move on to intermediates, and then we'll just see where you go from there. But in the meantime, peace.